my name is Manisha. I'm an artist from India and I invite you to join me in my final class of 2022. Yay! In this class, we will be painting 3 dreamy winter-themed paintings inspired by Van Gogh, and these paintings can be easily turned into greeting cards for your loved ones, or you can just frame them and decorate your walls with them. This class is designed for absolute beginners, so don't worry if you don't have any prior painting experience. I will take you through the entire step-by-step process in real time. Alright? And I am very sure that by the end of this class, you'll be able to paint these beautiful greeting cards without any fail. And if you have any queries or questions or doubts, you can always reach out to me through the discussions and I'll be happy to help you. Alright? And if you are already at a certain level with acrylics, this class is still for you. You can join me for a relaxed and dreamy paint party. Alright? So what are we waiting for? With very few basic supplies, you can paint these beautiful greeting cards for yourself and your loved ones. So just grab your art supplies. Okay, how can you grab the art supplies when I have not told you what they are? Okay, so join me in the next lesson where I will tell you about the art supplies you need for this class, and then you can join me in the class. Alright, so I'm waiting for you. Just join me in the next lesson.